I have got the world's largest zit. No joke. I have not had a pimple this big since I was a teenager. Hey guys, welcome back to my sewing room. My name is Becca, and in today's video we are going to take a look at the Precuts Quilt box. This is the classic box from Precuts Quilt Shop. They have two of them, the classic and the modern. If you want to find out more information about this box or the other one, you can check out that first comment down below this video. Hey friends, welcome back to my sewing room. My name is Becca, and in today's video we are going to take a look at the January 2021 Precuts Quilt box. I stumble on this name every time I say it, but we're going to take a look at all the items that are in here. Before we dive in, let me just tell you, down in the first comment below this video, you're going to find all the details for how you sign up for this box. So if you are interested at any point during this video, just click on that link and I'll take you over to their website and you can find all the details for how to sign up. Secondly, if you're not already subscribed, would you please consider hitting that subscribe button to help me with my goal of hitting 10,000 subscribers in 2021. Don't worry, you don't have to make that decision now. Don't commit until you're sure you like what you see. Wait till the end of the video, that's fine. All right, let's take a look at what we have in this box. This is the close-up of the box on the outside, and we're just gonna open it up. This is what the inside looks like. We have our little pamphlet that fell out, but they always do a tissue paper wrapping all of our items. Our little pamphlet has some information in here. Let me give you some of the announcements that I think are important to know about. Announcement number one, the next month for February is their second anniversary, and the box is going to include a scratch card. They're asking you not to trash the card because you may win one of the prizes, which does include an ever-sewn sewing machine and some precuts and gift cards. So I think it's Precuts gift cards. We also have 3 coupon codes, one for 20% off all quilt patterns and books, one for free shipping on orders over $35, and one for 30% off your entire order. Those coupons are good from January 6th to February 25th, and they cannot be combined or applied. So if you want to get the most value, you need to pay or process 3 separate orders. Also, Diane at Precuts does a lovely little thing. Every month, she takes a look at the boxes that were unboxed on social media with a specific hashtag, and she selects one winner at random. And this month, our winner is Kelsey Maynard from Wisconsin. Congratulations, Kelsey. This means her February box is going to be on the house. Cool. All right, let's dive in and see what we've got. You want a sneak peek? There's a sneak peek. Can't make it real quick because then why would you stick around for the rest of the video? The first thing that we have is a pack of elastic bands. It says that these are 1/6 inch banded stretch elastic in a basic colors variety pack. There are 2 basic colors and 4 bright colors, and approximately there is 1 yard of each color for a total of 6 yards. Taking a look down here, this is what the elastic kind of looks like. I'm looking to see if there's an easy way to get into this. It doesn't look like it, not without destroying the packaging. Ah, yes there is, actually down here. So this MSRP is $6, so basically they're charging you $1 per yard of elastic. And I'm just gonna pull this out and give it a feel test. This is nylon elastic. It does feel very soft. It doesn't have that plasticky rubber finish on it. It's got a nice tight knit to it. I don't know how else to explain it, but it feels like it would be comfortable for mask wearing, and I really enjoy that they gave us a whole yard of each one of these strands so we can cut the elastic to size while we're making some face masks. I was just looking for a mask that I made about a month or so ago, and I believe I made it with this purple elastic. It was elastic that came in an open gates box. And it was actually pretty comfortable. The only thing I would have changed is I would have made it a little bit bigger because the elastic was cut at a specific inch in that box, and it was just a little too small for my face. But it was comfortable. I wore it for a few hours with no problem. The next item that we have is actually a sewing notion. It is a pack of thread. There are 10 spools of color thread from Gutermann. It is 100% cotton thread, 50 weight, 3-ply, so it's just a little bit thicker than your Aurifil thread. Taking a look down here, you can see the different colors that are in the pack, and I'll open this up so that you can get a little bit better look at those colors. This is a really cool sewing notion. I gotta say, when I first started sewing, I always used Gutermann thread because I shopped exclusively at Joann's, and I didn't know that there was a such thing as polyester or rayon or silky or cotton thread. I just thought thread was thread was thread. Didn't know any better. So I was creating 100% cotton quilts, or at least I thought I was, but I was introducing polyester into the quilt because I was using a Gutermann polyester thread. Once I discovered that there was a difference and a friend taught me about good quality thread, I did switch to Aurifil. That's what I've stuck with ever since. But this is 100% cotton, and just to my fingers it feels like good thread, so I don't see why I wouldn't use it. It says it's great for quilting, heirloom quality, 3-ply cotton for strong beautiful seams, mercerized for a smooth silk-like finish, and it's supposed to be knot and nep free with very low lint. I did do that finger test where you run the strand through your index finger and your thumb. If you don't know what that is, basically you take a spool of thread and you just run the strand of thread between your fingers like this, and it should feel very, very smooth. Honestly, this felt almost as smooth as my Aurifil. It obviously was just a hair thicker. It felt almost as smooth as Aurifil, so I think I'd be fine to use this. I don't really know much about thread, so I don't know what else to tell you. Why don't you tell me? Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think of Gutermann thread. Is this something you've used before? What are your experiences with it? And by the way, this package of thread is not cheap. It does retail for $19, which actually is cheaper than Aurifil thread. $19 divided by 10 spools is basically $1.90 per spool. Yeah, that's pretty good. I am super excited about our fabric and our pattern this month because we've got some Bonnie and Camille. That's right. I love Bonnie and Camille. This month we have a pattern that retails for $9. Just had to check to make sure that it's $9. It is Rain or Shine by Thimble Blossoms, which is basically Bonnie and Camille. This is what the pattern looks like. Super cute. You've got a bunch of pluses with some stars kind of mixed in there. And it looks like this pattern is going to make a quilt that will measure 66 inches by 74 inches. To make it, you're going to need a jelly roll, which we've got in this box, and I'll show it to you in just a second. Then you're going to need some extra fabric. I'll just kind of show it back over here. This is what all the fabric requirements are instead of reading it all out to you. But that's actually pretty cool. Your quilt's going to be a decent size. I love the pattern. It's really easy to read. There's full color illustrations in here. And it looks like this would actually be beginner friendly. Yeah, I like how they did the sashing. Basically, the stars come out as a secondary pattern. The next item that we have is our fabric, and we have got a jelly roll, as I already mentioned. This is what the jelly roll looks like. This is the Shine On line from Bonnie and Camille. It has a lot of beautiful colors and prints in here that I just absolutely love. I am in love with this jelly roll. Now, here's the thing. I'm not going to take this jelly roll apart because once you do that, you are never going to get this together again. It's going to be completely messy and it's going to be all over the place. But I know you want to see what the fabric looks like. So right on the screen in front of you, I am giving you an image of what the entire collection of Shine On from Bonnie and Camille looks like. And you can see this is some beautiful fabric. I love Bonnie and Camille because the colors that they go with are right up my alley. I love their pinks. I love their reds. I love their greens. I love the aquas. It's just such happy colors. Happy, happy, happy. So this is the jelly roll. I can't wait to use it. This is an entire jelly roll and it retails for $41. The last thing in the box is the shipping and handling. That's the cost that it takes to put all the stuff into a box and then pay postage to get all of these contents from Diana's doorstep directly to yours, and that is within the US only. So through USPS, the shipping charge this month is $8.85. Diana does put that in the pamphlet each month so that you know that that is part of what she is considering to be the retail value of the box. The entire value of everything in the box this month comes to $83.85, including that $8.85 shipping. Overall, we paid $59.99 or $59.95, one of the two, for this box. So there is about a $24 savings there. And there is actually one more thing here in the pamphlet that I missed, and I want to just share it with you. There's an announcement about pricing. So she said, note, beginning February 2021, all fabric manufacturers will increase their prices by about 15%. Postal services will also be increasing their prices by 5% for local and 6% for international. We'll keep you updated on how we'll handle the increasing costs of textile products. We'll try to do our best to find the best solution. So just kind of letting you guys know that fabric is going up, shipping is going up. So don't be surprised if some of your subscription boxes, like Precuts, go up. They did not adjust the price yet, but you could see a small increase in your subscription boxes starting in February or March. That's everything for the January box. Let me know what you thought of the items in the box. I'd really be interested to know your take on Gutermann thread if you've used that before. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, give me a thumbs up, and come on back Friday nights at 8:30 where we sew live together right here on YouTube. I'll see y'all very soon. Bye.